Student, in this lecture, we solve a remaining question of exercise 5.7. Question number 13. If y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, then show that or prove that x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0. Prove this. Here we have y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, and we want to get this differentiate equation. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Here we get derivative of y with respect to x, that is the first derivative, y1 is equal to 3, derivative of cos is a minus sin log x into derivative of log function is equal to 1 upon x, you know, composite law, plus 4 into derivative of sin is a cos log x into derivative of log function is a 1 upon x. Now x take this side, so we get x y1 is equal to minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. Clear this? Now differentiate the second time with respect to x. With respect to x. Here x into derivative of y1 is a y2 plus y1 into derivative of x is a 1 is equal to minus 3 into derivative of sin is a cos log x into derivative of log function is a 1 upon x plus 4 into derivative of cos is a minus sin log x into derivative of log function is a 1 upon x. Clear? X take LCM, so we get x square y2 plus x y1 is equal to, from these two term minus take outside, 3 cos log x, clear, plus 4 sin log x. And what you say about these terms? This is a y, so is equal to minus y. Therefore minus y take this side, so x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to become 0. Clear? Hence proof. This is the answer. Now question number 14. Y is equal to a raised to mx plus b a raised to nx. Then show that dx square y dx square minus m plus n dy dx plus m n y is equal to 0. Think how to prove this. Dx square y dx square minus m plus n dy dx plus m into n y equal to 0. First we get the first derivative of these terms with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. Get dy dx. Here all terms given in a dy dx and the dx square y dx square form. So dy dx is equal to a derivative of e raised to x. We know that derivative of e raised to x. So derivative of e raised to mx is equal to derivative of e raised to mx e raised to mx into derivative of mx is a m plus b into same derivative of e raised to nx is equal to e raised to nx into derivative of nx is a n. Clear this? Say this result number 1. Now find the second derivative. Differentiate with respect to x. So we get dx square y dx square is equal to a derivative of e raised to mx is a e raised to mx into m. Here m into m becomes m square plus b derivative of this is a e raised to nx into n, that is a n square. Clear? Say this result number 2. And from y is equal to a e raised to mx plus b e raised to nx. Put all value of y, first derivative dy dx and the second derivative d square by dx square in this differential equation in a right side part and get a 0. Clear? So here d square by dx square minus m plus n into dy dx plus mn y is equal to d square y dx square is equal to, we know that these terms, a m square e raised to mx plus b n square e raised to nx minus m plus n dy dx is equal to these terms, a m e raised to mx. Clear? And second b and e raised to nx plus mn into y is equal to, we know that, a e raised to mx plus b e raised to nx. Clear this? Now simplify this. So a m square e raised to mx plus b n square e raised to nx minus n into these terms becomes a n square e raised to nx minus n into these terms, so minus b n m e raised to nx minus n into these terms, so minus a n m e raised to mx minus n into these terms becomes minus b n square e raised to nx plus mn take inside, so mn a e raised to mx plus mn b e raised to nx. Clear this? Now remove common terms. Here a m square mx plus sign and a minus a m square e raised to mx have a opposite minus sign. Both have same value, opposite sign, so both cancel. Similarly, b n square e raised to nx, here b n square e raised to nx cancel. Similarly, all terms cancel, so we get here this side is equal to, here is equal to 0. Clear? So d square y dx square minus m plus n dy dx plus mn y is equal to 0. Clear? Now question number 15. For y is equal to 500 e raised to 7x plus 600 e raised to minus 7x, show that d square y dx square is equal to 49y. Differentiate this with respect to x. Here we get dy dx is equal to 500 derivative of e raised to 7x is a e raised to 7x into derivative of 7x is equal to 7. Clear? Plus 600 derivative of this e raised to minus 7x is equal to e raised to minus 7x into derivative of minus 7x is a minus 7. Clear? Now second time differentiate with respect to x. So here we get d square y dx square is equal to 500 e raised to 7x into derivative of e raised to 7x is a e raised to 7x and derivative of 7x is a 7. 7 into 7 becomes 7 square. Clear? Plus 600 e raised to derivative of this is a e raised to minus 7x into derivative of minus 7x is a minus 7 into minus 7 become minus 7 square. So is equal to 7 square 49 minus 7 square 49 take common. So we get 500 e raised to 7x plus 600 e raised to minus 7x and this is equal to y. You know that. So d square y dx square is equal to 49y. Clear? Now question number 16. If e raised to x into x plus 1 is equal to 1, then show that d square y dx square is equal to dy dx raised to 2. Prove this. Here e raised to y x plus 1 is equal to 1 given. Differentiate with respect to x. We get e raised to y into derivative of x is a 1 plus derivative of 1 is a 0 plus derivative of e raised to y is equal to e raised to y into derivative of y with respect to y is a dy dx. Clear? Into x plus 1. That is we apply multiplicative law. First derivative of x plus 1 into e raised to y. This is e raised to y. Clear? And the derivative of e raised to y is e raised to y into dy dx into x plus 1 is equal to derivative of 1 is a 0. Clear? Therefore, now e raised to y take common. So here we get 1 plus dy dx into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, here 1 plus dy dx into x plus 1 is equal to become 0. Clear this? Now differentiate with respect to x. Here derivative of 1 is a 0 plus derivative of this is equal to d square y dx square into x plus 1 plus x plus 1 derivative of x is a 1 plus derivative of 1 is a 0 into dy dx. Clear? Is equal to 0. So we get x plus 1 d square y dx square plus dy dx is equal to 0. Clear? Now by 1, here x plus 1 formulate this because x plus 1 is not required term in this term. So x plus 1 is equal to 1 take this side, so minus 1 divide by this, so upon dy dx. Clear this? So by 1 this become, in place of x plus 1 write this minus 1 upon dy dx into d square y dx square plus dy dx is equal to 0. Now dy dx take LCM, so we get minus d square y dx square plus dy dx raised to 2 is equal to 0. Therefore minus term take this side, So we get d square by dx square is equal to dy dx raised to 2. Clear? Hence proof. Now using second method, we solve this equation. Here e raised to y x plus 1 is equal to 1 given. So differentiate with respect to x. Here e raised to y into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of y is 1 is 0 plus x plus 1 into derivative of e raised to y is e raised to y into dy dx is equal to 0. Clear? So e raised to y plus e raised to y into x plus 1 into dy dx is equal to 0. But here terms e raised to y x plus 1 is equal to 1 given. Write this e raised to y x plus 1 is equal to 1. Clear? Therefore this become 1. So e raised to y plus dy dx is equal to 0. Clear this? Now differentiate second time. So here e raised to y into dy dx plus derivative of this is equal to d square y dx square is equal to 0. Clear? Here e raised to y is equal to, we know that from this result 1. E raised to y is equal to dy dx, take this side, so minus e raised to here by 1 e raised to y is equal to minus dy dx. Clear? Replace here. So minus dy dx into dy dx becomes dy dx raised to 2. Clear this? Plus d square by dx square is equal to 0. Clear? Therefore take these terms right side, we get d square by dx square is equal to dy dx raised to 2. Clear? So remember this second method. Think how to solve this type of question. Important question, remember this. Now question number 17. Y is equal to tan inverse x raised to 2. Then show that x square plus 1 raised to 2 y2 plus 2x x square plus 1 into y1 is equal to 2. Show that. Here differentiate with respect to x. We get y1 is equal to derivative of this terms is equal to 2 tan inverse x raised to 2 minus 1 into derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x, you know. Now 1 plus x square, take this side. So 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Now second time differentiate this with respect to x. Here we get 1 plus x square, derivative of y1 is a y2 plus 1 plus x square, derivative of 1 is a 0 plus derivative of x square is a 2x into y1 is equal to 2 into derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square, you know. Clear? Therefore 1 plus x square take LCM, so we get 1 plus x square raised to 2 y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square y1 is equal to 2. Clear? So hence proof. Okay. Now remaining topics and exercise we complete in a next lecture.